right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their shower hose with eco filter. So it has 3 spraying modes: jet fall, rainfall, and massage. And then there's 3 types of balls: energy balls, negative ionic balls, and infrared mineral balls. And as you can kind of see, they're like stuffed down into this, and then your water runs through it. I don't know, it seems pretty interesting. Got it all detailed there as well. So let's open this up. Let's have a look at it. What do we got here? Some of that sealer thread tape stuff right on top. And then got a little connector there. That's the part that, you know, screws into your thing. Then we've got a nice hose here. So we have a little instruction guide here as well. A little wrinkled, but hey. And then the hose, okay? And then lastly, yep, that's it for the box, is our actual shower head. Look at that. That is an interesting little design. Wow. So you can see all the little beads in there. There's some up here, some there, and some there. And this is like totally flat. That's really cool. Oh, so that's how you do it. So you literally got your modes right here. So like in the middle is one mode, to the left is one mode, and to the right is one mode. All right, that's very, very interesting. But essentially, once you got all this, you know, wired up in some kind of way, your water for your shower would flow through all of these magical mineral and stones and would give you a little bit better of a shower. So this is essentially, though, what you can expect if you were to buy one of these. Very nice. But that's essentially what you can expect if you were to buy one of these. Again, special thanks to this company for sending this my way to create an unboxing for you guys. And that'll do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.